Are you sick and tired of those boring old chips? So why don't you try Skittles?
What are Skittles?
The things I just pelted your head with.
They look pretty good.
They are good. Why don't you try some?
Okay, I'll try them. Oh.
Okay.
Let's try them.
Are they good?
They're really good.
Darn tootin', they're good. Why don't you try some more?
You got it. Hey.
Oh no, the kid's dead. I want to take his wallet.
Well done. Finish him.
Skittles, they're fruitin', tootin' good.